Greetings and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today I'll show you how to write a parental consent letter for minor's visa. This letter serves as a formal endorsement to support your child's visa application. You begin by providing your personal details at the top, such as your name, address, phone number, email, and the date you are writing the letter. Then you address the letter to the embassy or consulate where the visa application will be processed, including their name and address. The subject line clearly states the purpose of your letter, which is to give parental consent for your child's visa application. You then begin the letter with a formal greeting, "Dear Sir, Madam," indicating a respectful tone to the recipient. After that, write, I, your full name, the father, mother, legal guardian, of minor's full name, born on, date of birth, hereby give my full consent for my child to travel to destination country, with accompanying person's name, if applicable. The purpose of the travel is state purpose, e.g., tourism, education, medical treatment, and the intended travel dates are from start date to end date. I confirm that I have no objection to this trip and have provided all necessary documents to support this application. I affirm that minor's full name will be under proper care during the trip and that I take full responsibility for their travel arrangements. Should you require any further information, please feel free to contact me at the details provided above. Sincerely, your full name, your signature. Here's our sample parental consent letter for minor's visa. See how it clearly outlines the parent or guardian's consent for the child's travel, provides necessary details about the trip, and ensures the child will be under proper care throughout the journey. By following this format step by step, you can create a well-structured and effective letter that supports the visa application. This letter helps the authorities understand your consent and ensures the child's travel plans are properly documented. And with that, I end this video. If you found this guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on writing effective parental consent letters for minors' visas.